Today we'll discuss about how we can solve the quick battery draining. If you're facing the problem with your battery, then immediately you need to take some actions in order to save your battery. If you feel your battery is going down to zero very quickly or it's draining very quickly, you need to do these things. First of all, go to settings, and under settings you can find the battery. This is the first thing you need to do. Before having a solution, you need to find out what is the culprit, which is reasons for your battery draining. So this battery analytics will show you what is your key in your battery draining. Here for my Android mobile, the key point in my battery usage is screen. So I'm using this screen percentage is 74 and I'm using 25% of YouTube. And this app, no, this app, other than screen, this is the app which is most using my battery. So by going to settings and clicking on the battery, you will have a basic idea of what is reasons for your battery draining. So for example, if there is a app which you installed recently and after that you feel that your battery is draining fast, just go to that app and go to the app info and click on force stop. So observe whether your battery is still draining. If it is still draining, you better uninstall that app if you really don't want that. Or if it is not that necessary to you, you need to uninstall that and check the performance of your battery. If you still face the same problem, then you can restart your device. Restarting your device will make a fresh startup for your mobile, so that if there is any problem or issue in that, it may solve your battery draining problem. So other than that, just check the other actions which are highly draining activities like tethering. This is the tethering hotspot which will use most of your battery, or your any GPS service. If any GPS service you are using, which will also use most of the battery. Or if you're continuously watching videos, that will also make and one more thing, if the signal is weak or poor, that will also take a much amount of battery. And avoid the phone calls on the go, in the sense when you are moving in a car, if you're talking on the phone, that takes a huge amount of battery. Other than this, if you restart the device still you have the battery draining problem, check for the Android system updates. How to check your Android update systems? So click on the settings and just scroll down to the bottom and click on about phone. So here in the first option you can check the system updates. So check for there are any Android updates for your mobile. If there are any Android updates, you in this screen you will be guided so that you can take the necessary action. Sometimes if you get a new version of Android update, that may solve the battery draining problem. So check for the Android updates. Just click on the settings and under down click on about phone, and under system update check for any system updates, and check for the app updates. There are chances that some of the apps may drain your battery if they are not updated. Means there may be a better update available for those apps. So you need to check for the app updates. Where to check the app updates? Go to Play Store app, click on the three dots here at the left top corner. Under this click on my apps and games, and here are the what all the apps which are need to be updated. Here it will be displayed here. You can click on update all, you are clicking particular updates. So this is how you can check for the app updates and do this action. And if you still have the battery draining problem, that may be a hardware problem or something like that, and don't charge your phone when it is not necessary. Means if you charge your phone when it is heated up, it will reduce your battery performance. And don't use the phone continuously even if it is heated. The phone heatage issue will drain your battery, so you need to keep these things in mind to have a better battery life. And check whether you're using the continuous camera or high performing games. Now for example, if you recently installed a high performing games with a lot of GPU, means high graphics and everything, that will also drain your battery. So you need to have a eye on that, what recently you have installed and what recently the changes in your Android battery life. So having monitoring on this will make your problem solve. If it doesn't solve, you can post that in Android communities to check whether other mobile users, means other brand mobile users of your model, are facing this problem of battery draining. I hope this will solve your battery draining problem. Just check with restarting your mobile, check for Android updates, check for app updates, avoid high performing tasks like tethering, Bluetooth, GPS, and some phone calls on the go. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.